Hello, and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. Today, I'll be answering a very pertinent question. It's a question I get a lot, and a lot of people with a Google TV, so it's put in the comment section. They're asking, is Google Play available on Google TV? Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. That's a very brilliant question, and it is fascinating because we're talking about Google here. So the Google Play Store should be on the Google TV, right? But right here, I'm showing my dashboard. If I circle onto apps and I'll show you all the applications I have on here, this is a complete list of all installed apps on this device. I cannot find a Google Play Store. At the same time, if I go to home, right here, as well, I cannot find the Google Play Store on any of those suggested apps. That's the main reason why this question comes up. Is a Google Play on Google TV? The answer is yes, but it is embedded into the system. So if you want to access the Google Play, you have to access the system applications. For instance, go to Quick Settings, head back to All Settings with that button, and navigate down to All Apps. So you see Apps, click on it. I'm going to go down. I'm ignoring that one there because this is just for recent. It may not show like this on your device. Do not worry. Follow along this tutorial. I'll show you how to see the Google Play Store. So click on See All Apps and now scroll down up till you find the option that says Show System Apps. So right there, Show System Apps. Click on it and now you need to navigate this alphabetically sorted list to you find Google. So this is C. We're going to go to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So on the G portion of the list, you find the Google Play Services. Right there, Google Play Store. So that's the Google Play Store. It will open like a normal application once you decide to open it. So just for demonstration purposes, I've clicked on the Google Play Store. I'm clicking on the open button. So you see here now that this app opens exactly like a normally installed application because it actually is, and it is just installed and embedded in the system. So that's it for this video. I hope that's answered the question. Google Play Store is actually on Google TV. See you in the next video with more insight like this.